Hi, and welcome to Come Railfan With Me. I'm at Portage la Prairie, Manitoba. I'm at the CN Via station, and this is the CN westbound train going by. On the other side, over there, which you can't see right now, is the CP line. Portage la Prairie is well known as a place where the CN and CP main lines are very close to each other, well within sight of each other, and you can stand between them and record either railway's trains. So sometimes it's a railfan hotspot in Manitoba, and I'm here recording trains, mostly looking for CP, but getting CN where I can. So this train here is going by on the main station track that Via Rail would use. It is pretty busy main line here. West of here, in front of me, that way, is single track, and behind me is double track. So this is where the double track turns into single track. And there's the end of the train. So in behind me over here, you can see over there is a bunch of CN maintenance stuff and the CP museum. It's the old station right there. Put my finger in the right place. There. That's the old CP station. So we'll go over there. This is the old CN/Via station. It's not used for passenger service anymore, as far as I understand, but Via does stop here if requested. So let's go over to the CP. Here I am at the other side of the station. You can see there's the station itself and the tracks, and then pan back and there's the CP main line right there. It's pretty quiet here right now. There's not any traffic on CP. There's been a few CN trains. So I'm gonna start making my way back to Winnipeg, and hopefully I'll see a couple of trains on the way. Now we're actually in the town of Elie itself. We're recording another westbound container train. Just on the other side of the tracks is the former CN station here at Elie. You can kind of catch a glimpse of it. See if I can pinch and zoom. If you look in between there, between the containers, you can see there's a station there. That is currently a private residence. It was the CN station. It was relocated back away from the tracks and is now somebody's home. So it's nice to see that the station's been repurposed and still around. This train kind of paused on its way into Elie, I guess it's waiting for a signal or something. Hi there. So now I am at about mile 16 or 15, mile 15 of the CN River sub, pretty close to what's called Diamond, where the CP Glenboro sub crosses the CN River subdivision. Here we have a big grain train that appears to be waiting for a signal to cross Diamond and carry on into Winnipeg. So I saw them earlier today, and they got to here, and now they're waiting, I guess. So this is the end of my trip. Basically, I'm heading home now. But it was a nice trip to Portage la Prairie, and nice to see some trains on CN and CP along the way. So thanks for watching, and come Railfan with me another time.